This workshop is going to be converting standard form to slope-intercept form. We're going to do this in the context of two examples, and this is going to be for problem box A. So I'm going to go ahead and put that there, problem box A, or task box A. All right, so what we need to do to convert from standard form to slope-intercept form is first remind ourselves of the different forms. So standard form is ax plus by equals c. And slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Highly recommend you write those down in your notes. Again, standard form is the first one, slope-intercept form is the second one. So maybe pause the video, write those down, and then play the video again. Now what I want to do is give you examples. So what I want to do is I want to get it from this form, standard form, to slope-intercept form. To do that, I'm going to notice here that in slope-intercept form, the y is by itself. I want to solve for my y. So what I'm going to do is solve for my y by getting rid of everything else. So in this context, I have two terms. I have 3x, I have 2y. Well, the thing I want to get rid of first is actually the 3x. So to get rid of a positive 3x, I want to subtract it from both sides. Now this is just like our mathematical manipulation that we had done last semester. So I have 2y equals 6 minus 3x. Remember, that 6 and negative 3x can't combine because they're different types of terms. One's a number, one is a number with a variable, or a coefficient with a variable. The next thing I want to do is get rid of the 2 in front of the y. So notice the 2 is right next to the y. It's a partnership problem. So I want to remove that 2 by dividing it. If I divide the left side by 2, I have to divide everything on the right side by 2. If I do that, I'm left with now y equals 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 over 2 I can't simplify, so I'm going to leave it as 3 halves x. Another way I could write it is in slope-intercept form. Normally you put the x term first, so I could write negative 3 halves x plus 3. Both of these are correct answers. I'm now going to go ahead and go to number 2. So for number 2, I want to follow the same process. Again, I want to get rid of the x term first, so I'm going to get rid of this negative 4x. To get rid of a negative 4x, I'm going to add it to both sides. After adding 4x to both sides, I'm left with negative 5y equals 9 plus 4x. Reminder, I can't combine those two terms. I'm now going to go ahead and divide everything by that negative 5. Remember, if I divide one thing by negative 5, I have to divide everything by negative 5. The negative 5's cancel, so I'm left with y equals 9 over negative 5 minus 4/5 x, or plus 4 over negative 5x. Both mean the same thing. But again, what I'm going to do is choose to write the x term first. So I have negative 4/5 x minus 9/5. And that would be my final correct answer. So this is the workshop video on converting standard form to slope-intercept form. The key letters that I'm going to give you for this workshop video in order to unlock the problem is going to be U, N. So please make sure you write these notes down, reference this video as you complete the problem that you have for task box A or problem box A, and make sure you write down the letters U, N. Thanks, team.